Hey everyone, happy Thursday morning to you. It's a gorgeous morning outside. We're already seeing sunshine. There are some clouds out to the west, but it's a good day today because the weekend is just about here and the weekend is looking gorgeous. Let's break it down for you. First, a live look at the Aerostay Hotel sky cam. Plenty of blue sky. There are some clouds in the horizon though, a little bit of white. You can see them. And I'll show those to you on the radar and satellite in just a second. Around the country, here's what's going on. So we've got a low off towards the southeast, kind of sucking in the snowfall and the rainfall that we dealt with yesterday. All that moisture getting kind of absorbed by that larger system. That'll travel to the northeast and high pressure will develop across the west and sink in our direction, making for a pretty nice weekend in the Midwest. Not so for the West Coast. They could see lots of rainfall and lots of snow. You see these areas in red. That is several feet of snow. So upper elevations of the Sierra Nevada, they're going to see some extremely high snow amounts. I know a lot of skiers are flocking to Lake Tahoe, which is located right here. In the next week, they could pick up about 18 inches of snow. So a lot of excited skiers heading out west. For us, not so much. Not a lot of snow. It looks like most of it's sitting around the Black Hills area. This continues to shrink, but it looks like from Pierre to here and over to Brookings, maybe 4 inches or more still on the ground, and hopefully we can get rid of that. At this hour, satellite and radar showing some light snow, and now pushing into southeastern Minnesota. A little bit of light snow in northern Iowa, but for the most part, we're clearing out across eastern South Dakota. It's right here where you can see these brighter whites. Those are thicker clouds and higher cloud tops, so those will be pushing off through the east later on today. After today, we kind of turn our focus to tomorrow night briefly. Looks like we could see a little bit of rain and maybe some snow mixing in, but it doesn't look like it's going to be too troublesome. Today, temperatures in the mid-30s across the east, where we saw more sunshine to start the day across the southwest, upper 40s, low 50s. Winds will shift tonight, and that will start off our warm-up 40s for Friday and Saturday. A little bit breezy on Sunday. That's one day that's going to be great. Temperatures right around 58 degrees for a high, but still, it might be pretty breezy with winds out of the southeast, 20 to 30 miles per hour. Monday's interesting because many meteorologists have been looking and poring over the model data, and it looks like we could see some marginal instability across the upper Midwest and plenty of moisture being transported from the Gulf of Mexico, which could lead to some thunderstorm activity, and some of those could be heavy. So one day we're paying attention to, and then the other 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday, the forecast, not too bad. Looking mostly sunny with temps in the upper 40s and low 50s. I've talked to a lot of golfers. They say, when are we going to get back on the course? Well, that's not my decision, one. And two, it looks like we'll get rid of all that snow this weekend. Hopefully we need a couple of days, maybe a week to dry out, because that soil is extremely soggy. And until we do go golfing, I'll just have to look at this video over and over and over and over again. You guys have a great afternoon. We'll talk to you tomorrow.